Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and actually gain a ton of more views and start getting more views, more subs, more sales in your lo-fi no copyright videos. If you're making lo-fi no copyright beats like I just showed in this video, you can go ahead and sort of start doing these things because these things are going to go ahead and make your videos more and more popular and give you more leverage as compared to people who are not doing these things. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you in this video. But before that, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button because that also helps me out quite a lot. And with that being said, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be showing you how you can actually go ahead and gain more views and more subscribers in your lo-fi no copyright beats channel is going ahead and talking to these vlog channels. Now what do I mean by that? Guys, just go ahead and search for vlog aesthetic, and once you go ahead and search for that, there's going to be a ton of videos that are going to be popping up here. Okay, what you want to do is go ahead and go into any of these videos. So for example, I went to this video right here, and this channel Honey Milk Tea is posting these videos that are going to be in that lo-fi style. You can go ahead and search this channel and see for yourself. But guys, this channel right here is making these videos. It's making these sort of aesthetic type lo-fi vlog. Right, so you want to go ahead and send your videos, your lo-fi beat videos, to this channel or any other channel that there is in that niche, in a particular aesthetic lo-fi study vlogs, all that kind of stuff. You want to send your videos to these channels and say, hey, I'm not gonna copyright claim your videos if you use my music. Right, so this channel is gonna use your music, this girl is gonna use your music, and she's not gonna get any copyright claims, she's not getting copyright troubles from you, right? Which is great, right? Because that's what these channels wants. These channels are always in a doubt that maybe someday someone's going to come and claim these videos. Maybe, we don't know, right? But if you go ahead and email these channels and say, hey, no, I'm not gonna copyright claim your videos, this is great, right? These channels are actually gonna go ahead and use your music because you just provided value right there, and in turn these channels are gonna post your music in their description, and their viewers, a lot of these girls, they're gonna go ahead and watch your music, watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. Go to your Instagram, like your photos, like your music over there. It's a win-win situation, guys. I think it's quite the thing that you want to do if you're making these type of videos. All right, so for example, this channel right here is actually gaining a ton of views, a ton of that music is going to be the lo-fi music. So these channels need a ton of videos and music. So you can go ahead and search these channels. You can go ahead and search their emails. You can go ahead and message these people and say, hey, I would love my music to be in your channel, and I'm not going to claim your it. You can make money with my music because there's no copyright, right? In turn, I'm going to get a ton of views. I'm going to get a ton of leverage, a ton of that authority in the search because of you, because of your channel getting a ton of views for me. All right, so you can go ahead and do these things. Another thing that I'm going to be showing you is going to be the Discord servers. Discord servers, there are a ton of Discord servers where you can go ahead and make friends and just tell them, hey man, I will love you. If you love lo-fi music, go ahead and check my music out. If you make any type of videos, go ahead and check my music out. All that kind of stuff, guys. You don't have to bombard them with your music. You don't want to do that, okay? Don't get me wrong, guys. But you want to build these connections in these lo-fi chat groups, in these servers, in Discord. And you want to post your link in your Discord about section. I think there is. I haven't used Discord for a long time, but there is actually something that's called about, where you can actually post your channel link, and you can go ahead and make friends, make a ton of people, and once they're close to you, they can go ahead and DM these people and say, hey, I would love if you just go ahead and like my videos and just subscribe to my channel. Once you make that kind of connection, right, you don't want to spam these people, but you know, you got to do what you got to do, guys. Right? You can go ahead and make some friends here, and these friends are gonna go ahead and watch your music, watch your videos. All right, they're gonna give you ton of that authority, right? It's better to have like 1,000, 2,000 views of your friends getting all that leverage by your friends. You know, they're watching your videos till the end, right? A lot of these people are gonna watch your videos till the end because you told them, because you asked them, right? So these are the things that you can actually go ahead and do and start getting a ton of views. And I should have made a full video on that particular no copyright niche. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out, and the link is in the description. And these are some of the things that can actually help you gain a ton of views, a ton of that subscribers, right? If you keep doing these things, you're going to be known in these circles. You're going to be known in these places, and it's better to be just start working, start doing things instead of, you know, staying here and not working anything else, guys. I personally believe that you know, if you work hard for like 3-4 years, everything is going to be changed. You know, everything is going to be different for you. Okay, instead of just you know, just not doing these things and just, you know, saying that to yourself all throughout your life and saying, hey man, if only I worked for like 10 years in my 20s, if in my teenagers, when I was a teenager, if only I worked harder, I would have had better life. But you know, I wouldn't have to go into this day job. I wouldn't have to you know, listen to my my seniors talking about me, all that stuff. You don't want to, guys. No one wants to deal with all that stuff, right? I don't want to deal with that stuff. I'm sure you don't want to deal with that stuff. No one wants to deal with that stuff. So guys, you want to make sure you work hard right now. This is what I'm doing. Okay, I'm actually pretty young, right? I'm actually pretty young. I'm only 21. Okay, so I'm doing these things as well. All right, I'm sure you guys are also pretty young. Okay, you get my point here. You want to work harder, and you want to gain that kind of leverage in life. Because you work hard right now, you're gonna have an easier life. You know, you're gonna have a little easier life compared to the rest of the people who are actually wasting their time. All right. So with that being said, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. And if you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up and like this video, and hit the subscribe button, and comment what you have in mind. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care.